Samantha here from samanthawilsonart.com, where you can find specialized art courses and contemporary fine art. So today I'm going to show you how to stretch a piece of paper so that when you paint or draw with water, it doesn't get all warped and it stays nice and flat. Tub of water, gum tape, the paper, and a simple board like this one. This tip will be helpful to stop your paper from warping if you're painting with water when it's dry. So you're going to need gum tape, tub of water, and you cut your strips, 4 strips to fit the length and the width of the paper. Dip it in the water and stick it along each edge of the paper and squeeze out the water nice and flat, and repeat for the opposite side. Again, squeezing out the water nice and smooth, and then repeat for the other side, and again on the last one. And just do it a few times to make sure you get it nice and stuck down. And you can go over each side again just to make sure it's secure and in place. And that's it. Just a quick reminder that if this content was helpful to you and you want to see more of these videos every week, hit subscribe and the like. If you have a second, just drop a little comment below to let me know if you gave these tips a try. I'd love to hear about your experiences. And if you're interested to know more about my more in-depth courses, don't hesitate to get in touch. I would love to hop on a discovery call with you and create a 6-week personalized course, or even a drop-in class. If you don't live here in Lisbon, Portugal, where I am, we can do an online session. There's many possibilities. My job here is to help you get better and more confident in your drawing and painting in a super approachable, step-by-step way. Until next time, see you soon.